Check your prescriptions. Fear of contaminated drugs has led the Department of Veterans Affairs to recall all medicines made by one manufacturer.
5 on your side's Keely Arthur explains what's next for patients being told to throw out their prescriptions.
The VA recall involves all products manufactured by Nephron. This was after an FDA inspection found cross-contamination of drugs as well as bacterial contamination on equipment. Even though it was decades ago, the reminders of Vietnam for Staff Sergeant Jackie Robinson are still pretty fresh.
I still feel the pain, some of the injuries though.
Prescriptions ease that pain.
Especially the knee injury, yeah.
And Robinson trusts the VA to make sure those prescriptions are helping, of course, not hurting. You don't know who manufactures your drugs?
No, I know the VA should have the qualifications to choose people that provide for the veterans.
Another veteran and WRAL viewer alerted us to the VA's recall of all Nephron products. There's worry over how veterans could be affected by contamination of drugs and equipment at Nephron's manufacturing facility in West Columbia, South Carolina. Nephron claims to be a world leader in respiratory medication manufacturing, but in October, the FDA sent the company this scathing warning letter, calling responses and investigations to the contaminations inadequate. They lowered Nephron's rating for good manufacturing practices to, quote, unacceptable. Nephron recalled some of their products, but the VA went a step further and recalled all of them, a precaution Robinson appreciates and expects to happen.
Lives depend on it. The
VA tells us that right now they're working really hard to let patients know what has happened and find replacements of any necessary medications. Keely Arthur, 5 on your side.